Welcome everyone to the EOS Experience Tour. My name is Sean Kelly and I'm your guide today. If you have any questions during this video, please put them below in the comment field. Welcome to our metal room. I'm going to give you a quick overview of each of our metal systems here. First, the Eos M290. The M290 is EOS' most sold metal printer today, with nearly 1,000 installed worldwide. With a building volume of 250 millimeters by 250 millimeters by 325 millimeters and a 400 watt laser, optional a kilowatt laser. It also boasts a large material portfolio with over 18 different materials and alloys you can run on the system. EOS also has over 28 validated processes you can also use with the EOS M290. Other things we also have with the M290 is its monitoring. Eos State. Eos State powder bed. A camera that overlooks the building chamber. It takes pictures after exposure and after recoding, giving you a full view of your build. We also have the Eos State melt pool and exposure OT. The Eos State melt pool is looking at deviations in the AM process from your laser fluctuations, while the exposure OT is looking at scanning speed deviations in your AM process. Bringing this all together gives you a complete overview of your quality assurance market. The next system we're going to take a look at is the M4 series. The M4 series is our largest metal printer to date. You can either have it as a single field with 1 kilowatt laser or with 4 400 watt lasers. The building volume is 400 millimeters by 400 millimeters by 400 millimeters in Z direction. Today it boasts 7 different materials you can use on it. That's the most validated processes you can get on a large system today anywhere in the world. It is also automated ready for the future to be used with AGVs or automated powder solutions. The next system we're going to take a look at is the Eos M100. This system is our entry-level system that we use for customers. Quite a small footprint of about 1 meter wide and 1.5 meters height. This system has a 100 millimeter diameter round platform with a 95 millimeter height. You can use 4 different materials on this system: 316L, cobalt chrome, Ti64 and tungsten. Right now you're seeing the exposure. We also have different applications on the system, like the dental application, bridge and copings. In this application, you can create customer-specific bridge and copings of 100 different types in less than 4 hours. That means over 200 per day. With that, we also have R&D and the anti-skid applications for the M100. We also boast various different applications for our metal systems, be it tooling, medical, automotive, or aerospace. Each one has a specific advantage. When you look at tooling, you're able to create inner cooling channels to help with the cool down, to help bring injection molding productivity up even higher. When it comes to medical, you're looking at customer-specific implants. In automotive, we're looking at specially designed parts that incorporates lightweight and strength, which is the same for the space and aerospace industry. Looking to incorporate lightweight with mechanical strength. At EOS, we have 30 years experience into the metal printing. If you have any questions at all, please contact us in the comment field or on our website. Thank you very much for your attention.